Well, when I had the brilliant idea of putting this piece of molding under my lip right here, I never said it was going to be easy. I've been drilling holes, putting sheet metal screws, being careful not to hit my wire and any other wires that might be up inside there. When I get down through there, there's a few wires up in there. You wouldn't want to drill a hole in one of your wires. I got to where I'm putting one about every other hole. That's good enough. Yeah, it's going to work out, but it sure is a lot of work. Sitting out here in this heat. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes drilled. I got about 8 or 10 left to go. Whew. But I'm just a piddling, getting her done. Get her done. Well, certainly not a perfect job. But that coax ain't coming down no time soon. Had some wires in the way back here, so I had to leave that one out, but it's up there close enough. Got blisters on my hands putting them screws in. It was a hard go. But we're making progress. My friend Walter here. As you've already seen in my video, I got that piece of metal up under there to protect the wires from my transducer. I'm getting on my pool noodle rod holder project a little bit. What I have here is an aluminum ladder. I've already cut a section out of it and used it up under my battery charger for a brace right there. This aluminum ladder, I don't know, it probably came off a van or something. I picked it up in a lot at an auction. Basically it cost me nothing. But I need some aluminum to make my bracket for my rod holder. And I'm going to just go with my imagination and see what comes out. If I don't like it when I get done, I can always take it off and throw it away. Width of my 4 fingers is 3.5. That sounds good to me. Okay, I'm going to put my rod rack right here. Bolted up underneath that lip right there. With the pool noodle attached to this side and some bungee cords at the bottom. And in fact, I'm going to leave that, since it's already got a rubber coating on it to keep somebody from scratching their leg or something. Leave that on there. I think it's just a matter of bolting that thing underneath there. Possibly putting an angle brace on there. Doesn't have to be that strong. We're going to give it a whirl anyway. Well, there's the general idea of what I was trying to do. My pool noodle rod holder. I want to put a bungee cord on there for a safety for when they're not in use. I was going to put it at the bottom, but it's too far back without building a new bracket. But for that matter, I can put a bungee cord around the top and just take it off when you're ready to start fishing. These are too short, but we'll get the idea if I just hook them somewhere. Let's see. By George, them rods and reels are ready to fish. And if this don't work out, we'll come up with some other thing to hold them. Can't leave them out right now because somebody will come along and steal my rods and reels. But that's the general idea. I could put a board on the bottom with a hole drilled in it to hold the base of it. But that pool noodle holds it pretty darn good. Whoever's standing back here casting, when they're raised back to cast, need to watch they don't get hung on some of these poles. Well, we're going to see how it works out. We might have to redesign it a little bit. I need to go get my nippers and nip all these zip ties off I put the pool noodle on there with.